What's your all-time favorite film?
Oh my god. I can't answer this question.
What's your all-time favorite film song? Hindi film song.
ये हो ही नहीं सकता, मैं नहीं बोल सकती आपको.
What's your all-time favorite mujra in Hindi films? What is it that made you fall in love with Siddharth? Malika Jan ya Faridan? Who's more dangerous? Taylor Swift या Dua Lipa, better singer?
I will get rogered for this.
खामोशी या हम दिल दे चुके सनम, better film?
You are just being mean now.
मैं आपसे अभी अदिति जी एक कंट्रोवर्शियल सवाल पूछना चाह रहा हूँ.
I know what this सवाल is going to be. Hey, this is Aditi Rao Haidri and you're watching Connect Cine with Faridun. Stay connected.
What's your all-time favorite film?
Oh my god. I can't answer this question. Impossible. Okay, one of my favorite films is Pan's Labyrinth.
Okay, and what's your all-time favorite film song? Hindi film song.
ये हो ही नहीं सकता, मैं नहीं बोल सकती आपको. होगा ही नहीं.
चलिए कोई क्लासिक बता दीजिए, कोई क्लासिक गाना.
पिया तो से नैना लगी.
Okay, what's your all-time favorite English song? Do you have a favorite English song?
This is supposed to be a rapid fire. मैं इतना सोचूं, मेरे कोई ऐसे favorites नहीं है. All time favorite English song. Oh God. I don't.
Okay.
ख्याल में ही नहीं आ रहा. Oh, I really like that John Legend song.
गा के सुनाइए ना.
All of me loves all of you. नहीं, मैं इंग्लिश गाने नहीं गा सकती.
अच्छा, okay. Hiramandi in a hashtag.
Legacy.
If you have to write a letter of thanks to Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali, what will be the first line of that?
I love you, Sanjay sir. You are precious.
Okay. आजादी क्या है एक सेंटेंस में अगर आप डिफाइन कर सके.
No, this is a line from Jubilee, but I'll say it in English. It's the freedom to do what you want and what your heart desires when you want to do it. It's a very beautifully written line in Jubilee, and I thought it made a lot of sense.
And I think what a fantastic, performance in Jubilee as well. A very good, very good, very nuanced character once again, and a terrific performance as well. Okay, what's your all-time favorite mujra in Hindi films?
Kahe Chhed Chhed.
Okay.
And also Madhubala ji's. It's Mohe Pangat.
Okay, best film on Tawaifs in India.
I'll say Hiramandi.
No, but that's a series. If you have to say a film.
Oh my God. Pakiza.
Okay.
Umrao Jan.
Okay, what is it that made you fall in love with Siddharth?
I can't say any one thing, but I think it's the fact that he just makes me laugh and makes me feel like I'm home.
Okay. What makes Bibbo Jan irresistible?
Her fire and grace.
Okay. बिब्बो जान आजादी के लिए इश्क को कुर्बान करने के लिए क्यों तैयार है?
क्योंकि उनका because her love for her country is greater than anything else.
Okay,
we live in independent India because of each Bibbo Jan that fought for this country.
All right, and ये या वो either or अगर आपको एक चूज करना है तो आप क्या चूज करेंगी? मलिका जान या फरीदन? Who's more dangerous?
Whoa, who's more dangerous?
हाँ जी, I think both are dangerous in their own way. They can be.
So dangerous. I would say in this case, Faridan, because Malika Jan is still an ammi.
Right.
So her amminess comes out at times.
Okay. Cartwright या Henderson? Who's more attractive?
I guess Cartwright is more of a badmash.
Taylor Swift या Dua Lipa, better singer?
I will get rogered for this, but I really enjoy Dua Lipa.
You heard her latest album?
I've heard all her stuff and I really enjoy her music.
Amazing. Okay.
But Taylor Swift is a singer, songwriter, all of that. So yeah.
All right. Michael Jackson या Madonna, bigger star.
Whoa, I don't know. Um, I guess Michael Jackson. I mean, he's iconic. I mean, both are iconic. I don't know. Michael Jackson. For me, Michael Jackson.
Okay. खामोशी या हम दिल दे चुके सनम, better film.
You are just being mean now.
No, it's not. See, either way, Sanjay
Oh
sir
my
will be happy, right?
God.
Either ways, he'll be. It's both are his films.
No, it's not that. As a fan of movies and as a fan of his films, I can't choose. But Khamoshi made me want to become a Sanjay Leela Bhansali heroine. It was the first time I saw this thing. So let's start with Khamoshi.
Okay. Jubilee या हीरा मंडी, series closer to your heart.
Hira Mandi.
Okay. मैं आपसे अभी अदिति जी एक कंट्रोवर्शियल सवाल पूछना चाह रहा हूँ और
Done.
आपको जवाब, लेकिन आपको एक चूज करना है उसमें.
Done. I
Okay.
know what this sawal is going to be.
You don't know. आप तैयार हैं?
हाँ.
Okay. So अदिति जी, मसाला डोसा फ्रॉम बैंगलोर या मसाला डोसा फ्रॉम हैदराबाद?
Masala dosa from Hyderabad.
Okay. एक और थोड़ा सा कंट्रोवर्शियल सवाल.
I thought you were going to say Hyderabad and Chennai.
No.
That would have been tougher.
Okay. सांबर वड़ा या इडली सांबर?
Idli sambar. Actually, idli ghee, not idli sambar. Idli ghee podi.
Okay. ब्लैक कॉफी या आयरिश कॉफी?
Neither. Nariyal pani.
अच्छा. Okay. बिब्बो जान की शर्मो हया या बिब्बो जान की शोख मुस्कुराहट?
What does shok muskurahat mean?
Shokh is like coy smile, like a shokh, like flirtatious,
And sharmo haya is what?
like nazakat, and nazre niche karke, or in terms of, yeah.
Oh, sharmo haya. Yeah. Isn't that similar then?
No, shokh muskurahat is like it's like a flirtatious coy smile and laughter, and
Acha.
sharmo haya is like
हाँ.
being shy, and and जैसे जो traditional जो एक I think
So
जो
Bibbojan ki flirtatiousness, because I don't usually get to do that.
शोख मुस्कुराहट. Okay.
Shok muskurahat. हाँ.
Okay. बिब्बो जान in शलवार कमीज या बिब्बो जान in शरारा गरारा?
Bibbojan and sharara garara.
Alright. मैंने
For sure.
काफी कंट्रोवर्शियल सवाल आपसे पूछे, मैं माजरत चाहूंगा.
I was right.